Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I'm standing next to a brand new 2019 Sea Ray 190 SPX outboard. And while Sea Ray always does a good job designing and styling their boats, to me this one looks exceptionally sharp. Finished in a full color hull all the way from the rub rail to the bottom of the hull in black, and a tan interior with a black Mercury outboard, 150 horse. This is going to give you plenty of power, get up to speed fast with a boatload of people. You can take 10 of your friends and family here. As you can see, we've got plenty of seating throughout the boat, dual sun loungers up on the front, sun lounger to port, lots of seating in the back, lots of storage. We've got a swim ladder that does telescoping on the rear here for easy boarding on and off while out enjoying your water sports. You've also got a step on and off the front to get on and off for the beach. And underneath where your engine would usually go, if this were to be an IO, you've got plenty of storage for coolers and boards and any kind of activities you'd like to do out for the day. This boat also comes included with a galvanized trailer with a swing tongue, allowing you to put it in your garage and swing that tongue back so you can close the garage door. You can also fold the bimini down quickly so you don't have to worry about any kind of height clearances. If you guys have any additional questions on this boat, please feel free to give me a call, text, or email anytime. I'm happy to help.